Let's go ahead and start a tab. We're going to take our credit card and we're going to slide it into the chip reader. You're going to see the screen go from red to green, and in 2 seconds we have now started a tab with a chip read. We can go ahead and take that credit card, give it back to the customer as we please, because now we're going to ring a couple items. And as you see, when I select credit down here, you're going to see that the credit card is stored onto the check. So we're going to cancel out of that. All right, let's go back and ring up a couple items. We're going to say we need a White Claw, but instead of selecting the White Claw, we're going to use our menu search at the top. Let's go ahead and menu search, and we're going to type in WHI. Everything with the WHIT is going to show up now. So now we can select the White Claw. Maybe we need 3 White Claws. This multiplier bar in the middle is going to make that very easy for us. We can select the 3, and that'll make White Claws 3. We can make it 6, or we can make it 54. Just like our menu search, our tab search works in a similar way. So we can go to the search and we can search anything that's on the check. So we're going to type in RAF for Raphael. Boom, we can select that check. Or let's say that we're going to do Jared's credit card at 4957. So again, anything on the check is queryable, so you can find those checks very fast and very quickly to cash those customers out. To show you our customer profile, in the very top left of the screen, you're going to see the person icon with the check mark and the number 9 next to it. We're going to select that, and what that is that's showing us that this customer has been in our establishment 9 times. Their ticket average is $146. Their tip average is crap, and their spend total is $1,300. We'll even show the top 5 products that they purchase the most in your venue. We're going to go to our cocktails list. We're going to ring in an adios with this. Before we do that, we're going to long hold this adios. What that's going to do is it's going to show us an ingredient list of everything that comes in that cocktail, along with the prep notes to the right to show how we want the drink built as well. We're going to push OK. We're going to add that adios, and then we're going to go to bar favorites, the Build-A-Burger, same thing. We're going to do the long holds, and what that's going to show again is the ingredient list of everything that's on that item with our prep notes and how it's prepared. Maybe the Build-A-Burger, we only have 10 left in house. We're going to select the item count right there, and now when any of your servers or bartenders ring, that count will go down from 10 to 0. As soon as that count goes from 10 to 0, it's going to 86 the item, and now the server or the bartender can no longer ring that item. Now that the customer is ready to go, we're going to select the credit, and we're going to use charge existing, and the customer's on his way, and you're ready to make some more drinks. Last thing, we're going to split this check. Let's go to this bachelor party check. We want to split this check 4 ways. Before we do that, we want to select this Dom Perignon bottle. We're going to go ahead and split that item 3 ways because only the 3 of the 4 gentlemen partook in the Dom Perignon. We're going to unselect that, and we're going to go to our split payment screen. And on this screen, we can split up to 5 checks on one screen. So what we're going to do is we're only going to add 4 splits because that's all we need. The first player is the one that had Dom Perignon, so did player 2, so did player 3. But player 1 also had the Adioses, player 2 had the Irish car bombs, player 3 had the hazy little things, and player 4 was late to the party. He had the black and blues, that's why he didn't have any of the Dom. Now that you have that, you can print all, drop the checks, and now that you've received payment, we can start tendering these out. So the first one, we're going to say that they had cash. We're going to push cash. Second one, we're going to say they had a credit card. Let's go ahead and run their credit card. Fourth guy had cash. You get the picture. Very fast and very quick, even when you're in the weeds splitting checks with SmartTab.